Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today we'll be reviewing the H2 PMU PowerBabe machine from Artyst by CHEYENNE. The brand has combined permanent makeup ergonomics with tattoo power to bring you this revolutionary permanent makeup machine. So let's take a closer look. The experts at Artyst and CHEYENNE have used their wealth of knowledge and expertise to develop the PowerBabe, a super low vibration machine that doesn't compromise on power. The device has a stroke length of 3.5mm and is recommended for experienced artists who are seeking a reliable high-power PMU machine that delivers flawless results. The minimal vibrations of this machine means it's virtually silent when running, making it one of the quietest rotary PMU machines on the market. This will even help to put the most nervous clients completely at ease during their treatment and maximise accuracy when implanting pigment. The low vibrations also reduce any possible strain to the hand or wrist. The PowerBabe is compatible with all universal style PMU cartridges, meaning you are free to pair this machine with your favourite brand, such as Quadrin, Vertex Nano, or even Killer Beauty PMU cartridges. The optimised needle penetration of this device not only reduces trauma to the skin, but also maximises retention and promotes quick and healthy healing. Weighing only 130 grams, the ergonomic lightweight design of the PowerBabe provides optimum comfort during treatments, and the machine itself is made from premium grade aluminium. Available in silver rose, gold champagne and midnight blue, the H2 PMU PowerBabe is compatible with the Artyst Power Unit, a compact, user-friendly power supply that works with all Artyst machines. We hope you enjoyed our unboxing and review of the H2 PMU PowerBabe machine from Artyst by CHEYENNE. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.